Hi, this is Gabriel from the Adam Hall Group. We are in InfoComm 25, and I'm glad to present you also our new subwoofer. This is the latest member of our DQOR series. We are talking about the outdoor subwoofer called DQOR Sub 8D. We have three different models. This is the DQOR Sub 8. It's a passive model. We have two colors, black and white. It's a full aluminum housing to have the best protection against corrosion. It's a very low profile, but it has here an 8-inch woofer and a 10-inch passive radiator in a closed design to ensure this sealed protection against particle for IP65 protection. And in this case, the interesting part is that we have three different models. This one that you see is the passive, and we have two more models. We have an active version that is indoor, and the indoor version has also an internal power amplifier with two outputs, 140 watts, so you can also power speakers like that, our satellites. And with this indoor version, you can make like a very simple 2.1 system, so it's an all-in-one system. For example, what you see in this screen now. So with this subwoofer, you can power up to 4 satellites directly with the subwoofer. So it's very simple, very straightforward, and for installations where you don't need or you don't want to have the amplifier hidden somewhere, you have this solution. The amplifier is inside the subwoofer. Very simple solution for bars, restaurants, and with the perfect sound. And then we have the latest model that is the Dante version, is the DQOR Sub 8D. And in that case, the highlight is also that it's an outdoor device. So it's an outdoor subwoofer with Dante connectivity, so you can expand all these terraces or in hospitality applications, for example, with the subwoofers wherever you need them, and you only need the power cable there and the Dante connector. So, and this is outdoor. It's very important that you remind that as well for a Dante loudspeaker. So that's it. If you want more info about it, just check our website, ldsystems.com, and you will find all the details about the new DQOR Sub. Thank you very much.